We'll guide you through how to make an account on Microsoft Edge. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Microsoft Edge on your computer or laptop and wait for the browser to load completely. Once the browser is ready, look at the top right corner of the browser window where the profile options are located. Click the profile icon to open the account menu. After the menu appears, review the accounts currently signed into the browser. This will help you understand which account is currently active before creating a new one. Next, locate and click the Profile Settings option. Wait for the Profile Settings page to open completely. Once the page loads, review the account information displayed in the Profiles menu. Now locate the Sign In button within the Profile Settings section. Click the Sign In option to add another account. Wait for the Microsoft Sign In page to appear on your screen. Allow the page to load completely and review the available account options displayed on the screen. Below the Sign In form, locate the Create One link. Click the Create One option to begin the account creation process. Enter the email address you want to use for your new Microsoft account. Carefully review the email address to ensure it is entered correctly. Once you are satisfied, click the Next button to continue. Microsoft will then ask for additional information to complete the registration process. Select your country or region from the available list and enter your date of birth information in the required fields. After entering your details, verify that all personal information is correct and up to date. Click Next to continue with the setup process. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to complete one or more security verification steps. Enter the verification code sent to your email address and confirm the code when prompted. You may also be required to complete a CAPTCHA or another human verification task. Finally, confirm that your Microsoft account has been created successfully and is ready to use in Microsoft Edge.